Everybody, here is our baking for Friday. We need some syrup, we need some bananas, there's the bananas and the grapes, and you need some bread. Here's your bread. I've cut the bread into a circle and a triangle for the tail, and I'm going to show you what you need to do now. We're going to put some syrup onto the bread. So there we go, we pour the syrup onto the bread, a little bit of syrup there, and a bit of syrup onto the tail, and then you spread it with your knife or a spoon, especially when you're dealing with the little children. And then from there we're going to add some scales. So I've cut some banana, and there we go. So we're going to cover our fish with scales. There we go, some scales there. We're going to cover our fish with our banana scales all over the body and over the tail. And I've cut a grape for the eye, so we're going to put the eye over there, and there we go. Let's have a look.